This video guide will help you to get rid of the pop-up notifications that are related to the site Happy-u.vip. Such pop-ups, Happy-u.vip, are misleading and deceptive. They claim that you may block annoying ads by clicking on allow button, but the truth is that is a trap. If you click on allow, instead your browser would be hijacked and you will be sooner or later receiving even more ads that will be displayed in the form of push notifications. So if you see these pop-ups by Happy-u.vip, don't interact with them. Leave that page, and to block these ads, what you should do is the following. Access the menu, go to settings, choose privacy and security, site settings, and in permissions choose notifications. So pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find any malicious sites here, you should click on this button and remove them from the list. So make sure you get rid of all these junk sites causing such intrusive pop-ups. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I do recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.